Hi everyone, welcome back and thank you. Today I'm going to take you through the various options available to find out the day name of any particular date. Let me take you to that file for you to experience the options available here. You will see here there are 5 options. One is through the text formula. It will give you the abbreviated version of the day name. The second one is the full version of the day name. The third one is through the weekday formula, and the fourth one is choose plus weekday formula. On top of all these four, you will have a simple custom based selection, which will also give you the day name against the date. Let me take you through one by one very quickly. I'm here now in this cell. I'm going to do this one equals to text open bracket in quotes say DDD, and then close the quotes and also the bracket, and you will get okay, I did a mistake. So I should I should give this reference and then comma, and then now you can see it is Saturday. Sometimes you know the urgency or anxiety will also take you to a blunder. Okay, right. Okay, the next one is equals to text open bracket, choose this file reference, I mean cell reference, comma, instead of 3 D's you just give 4 D's, 1 2 3 4, and then close it. There you go, you got your full Saturday. Right, now you are going to see the weekday. The formula is equals to weekday open bracket. The first one is serial number, that is equivalent to the cell what you want to refer, and then press comma, and then you will see there are about 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 options of return type. Which one you want to have it as a return type? See, there are 10 options. Probably I will take you through one or two. You will be able to appreciate and understand the um, meaning of this. Okay, number one return type will give you Sunday as number 1, Monday as number 2, like that. It goes up to Saturday as 7. Supposing if you give 3, it will give you Monday as 0 and Sunday will be 6. And if you give 11, it will be Monday as 1 and Sunday as 7. Normally, the week starts with Sunday. If you want to have that, you can use 17, which is Sunday is 1, Saturday is 7. Otherwise, generally, if you're in an office where your day starts with Monday, then you can simply say that number 2 as the return value here. Now I will say number 2 and then I'll close it. Then this particular day of this particular day is Saturday, which is the 6th day. That means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday is the 6th day. Right. Let us see one more example here. How you can name it. Basically, when you say 6, it does not make any sense to anybody who is looking at it, whether it is a Sunday or Saturday or Friday or whatever it is. So what you need to do is you have to fix this. How can we fix it? Probably we can use the choose command here, like choose equals to choose open bracket and then followed by weekday, again open bracket, this particular cell reference comma, we will use the same 2. We'll use the same 2, for example, the same 2. Now you close it, and then followed by, probably what you can do is Mon, comma, to, comma, wed, comma, Thursday, comma, Friday, comma, Saturday, comma, Sunday. Okay. Now if you see, you can probably close this. Yes, you got Saturday here because it has chosen. Basically, it has chosen the date. That means 2 is equal to Saturday. 2 is equal to Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, because you have chosen the return type as 2. In the return type 2, 6 is Saturday, right? If you want to probably give the full version of it, I'm going to insert again here. I'm going to say the same thing here, copy and paste it, and then followed by, if you look at it, this one, I'll just simply change this cell reference as A12, and then instead of Monday, I'll say Monday, Tuesday, I'll say Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Now you see, you got the full version of Saturday here. Okay, finally, as I said, without doing anything on top of this, simply you can replace the same date here equals to the date. What is the date which is available here is equals to A12. Simply A12. After doing this, what you need to do is, you were wondering how come this is Saturday. So you can simply remove this, okay, and then change this format of this particular cell to right click, go to format cell, and then go to custom, and then see for DDDDD, it is available here. If it is not available there, simply press here. You can simply press DDDD and you can choose this. Okay. Now you can press equals to A12 this Saturday. Right? How simple it is, you see. So to find out the day from a date, you have 5 options to do it. The very simple option is go and use the custom format. That's all. Hope you would have enjoyed this one, and please, as usual, try and practice for yourself so that it will be there, forever for your recall and usage. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.